If you want to develop stronger bone structure, denser facial features, and a sharper, more attractive appearance completely naturally, this video breaks down everything you need to know, from powerful daily habits to biomechanical and nutritional hacks that will actually reshape your face over time. There are only two natural ways to increase your bone growth and development. The first being mechanical stimulation, which is applying force through movement, posture, and pressure. And the second thing is biological nourishment. This is using foods and minerals that are going to fuel your body's anabolic pathways for bone building. Your facial features are shaped by how you breathe, swallow, chew, and how your tongue posture is. And that's where myofunctional therapy comes in. These four fundamentals drive proper craniofacial growth and bone adaptation. The first thing is tongue posture. The entire tongue should be resting on your palate. This provides continuous pressure that stimulates the upper jaw and midface area. The second thing is chewing. Chewing tough, fibrous foods like raw carrots and steaks are going to activate your masseters and your temporalis muscles. And this is going to apply pressure to the bones of your jaw and skull. The number one thing you need to be doing for this is chewing 25 times per bite. The third thing you need to be doing is nasal breathing. Mouth breathing collapses your midface and will actually weaken your structure. On the other hand, nasal breathing will actually boost nitric oxide, improve your oxygenation, and help with maintaining facial symmetry. The fourth thing is proper swallowing. When you swallow, nothing in your face should move except your throat. When you swallow, you want it to go up, back, and around down. Nothing more. If you watch me swallow, you'll see the only thing that moves is my Adam's apple. And that's how it should be. It should not be moving the rest of your face. That's improper swallowing. Over time, these habits signal bones to adapt. This is going to create a more lifted, structured, and overall more attractive face. By the way, if you do want one-on-one training, if you want help with anything in this video, I do have a private community and I'm in there all the time answering questions, helping you guys directly. You have private access to me, or you have a community full of people you can ask questions to. There's full modules and personalized guides breaking everything down. So if this does interest you, it's in the link in the bio. There's also hundreds of dollars getting given away every single month to the best and craziest transformations. The second mechanical technique you can do is interoral face pushing. This technique builds off the foundation of myofunctional principles. Interoral face pushing uses the tip of your tongue to target pressure to the upper back third of your palate, which is going to create more forward and positive growth in your maxilla. A lifted maxilla creates mid-face projection, reduces your under eye hollowness. It supports your orbital rim, which is going to give you that hunter eye look. It's going to enhance your canthal tilt. It's going to give you a lot of forward growth in your jawline, helping you with projection, and even helping with your overbite. Okay, now we're going to get into the biological nourishment section. So milk is one of the most powerful things you can consume for bone growth and bone density. The issue is most of us are drinking the wrong kind of milk. We're drinking milk that's been stripped of all its powerful compounds for bone growth. Pasteurization destroys lactoferrin, which is a protein that stimulates osteoblast, which is the cells responsible for bone creation. And this is why raw milk is so ideal. If you don't have access to raw milk, the best thing you can do is get farm fresh, grass-fed, finished milk. The benefits of lactoferrin is going to be increasing your bone density, improving your calcium absorption, and regulating your immune function. It's one of nature's most anabolic foods for bone structure. The next thing is boron. Boron is an overlooked mineral that actually has huge benefits for bone development, bone health, and hormone balance. You can find this in raisins, prunes, apricots, and bee pollen. Boron has some crazy benefits like reducing calcium loss from bones by up to 44%. It also enhances magnesium and vitamin D function. It lowers PTH, parathyroid hormone, which strips calcium from bones, and it increases androgens like testosterone. In short, boron supports the creation and retention of bone mass. The next thing is oysters. This is literally nature's multivitamin, and they're very powerful when it comes to bone structure and collagen formation. You're going to find zinc, which is key for testosterone and collagen formation. You're going to find D-aspartic acid, which is great for LH stimulation. Taurine for your nervous system and your tissue health. You're going to find oyster peptides, which are anti-inflammatory and regenerative. And you're going to find manganese for bone mineralization. All of these work together and they're going to synergize to create thicker, more dense bones, especially for your facial features. And the last thing is lowering your PTH, your parathyroid hormone. This pulls calcium from your skeleton and it's going to deposit it into soft tissues. This is going to lead to weaker bones, arterial calcification, pineal gland dysfunction, and a slower metabolism. To lower your PTH naturally, you need to consume more calcium, especially from raw dairy. You want to also ensure high boron, magnesium, and vitamin D intake. You want to avoid fluoride because this is going to interfere with calcium function. Fluoride is super common in your tap water and your toothpaste. These are two things you need to switch out. Get a reverse osmosis system and switch to a natural toothpaste or use coconut oil and baking soda. And the last thing is to prioritize foods with a positive calcium to phosphorus ratio. This is going to flip the switch on your bones degrading to actually constructing. If you dial in your habits and you stay consistent with your tongue posture, your chewing, your breathing, your swallowing, your techniques, and your diet, you will literally see your face transform. You don't have to just take my transformation as proof. I have people in my community literally seeing change just after 3 weeks, which is incredible. And this isn't some one-off occasion. There's been many people on their second, third, fourth week seeing crazy gains in their face. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you've made it to the end, please make sure to like and subscribe. It means the world to me. And if you have any comments, leave them down below. I'll try to respond to as many as I can. And don't forget to be consistent. Consistency, consistency, consistency. It's key. Please be consistent and you will literally see your whole face transform. See you guys on the next one.